Hi everybody, today I will show you how to tag threads of Instagram bio. So as you can see here that we have our threads on our Instagram bio, but I want to remove this from here. So how can we do this? It's pretty simple. All you need to do is to jump into your thread account. So you can simply tap on your thread username here and you would simply redirect yourself to the thread. So in the thread, you have to go into your profile. You have to click on this icon that we have on the top right corner and you can see the option of the account here. So we have to tap on that. And in here, you can see the option of deactivate or delete profile. So we have to tap on that. So here you can see that we have the two options. Either we deactivate our profile or we want to delete our profile. So since I want to tag off the thread from my Instagram bio, so I will need to delete my profile from there. So I'm going to simply click on the delete profile. And now after adding my credentials, I can simply delete this profile. Alright, so my thread account has been successfully deleted. So now we're gonna jump back into Instagram. And now I'm gonna simply refresh my profile here. And you won't be able to see my thread on my Instagram bio. So this is how you can take threads off Instagram bio. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.